Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log out from eFootball. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log out from your eFootball app, all you gotta do is simply tap it open. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface, which is basically your home screen. So once you're here, all you gotta do is simply see and find the extra option. So once you tap on the extras option that is right besides your shop option, you will end up in this kind of interface. So from here, simply tap on the support option and now you will be redirected to this page where you can simply find option called services and info. This will display all your information, and once it is displayed, you need to simply select the option called delete user ID. So the only option to log out from your eFootball is to delete your user ID and simply create a new one. Simply request your user ID deletion and you're all set by logging out from your eFootball. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.